In this video, I will show you how to open up the key fob for your Toyota Celica and change the internal battery at home. Now this process is very simple. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2016 batteries. If you'd like to get one of these batteries online, I will leave a link down in the description so that you can pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And again, that will be the exact battery that you need for this particular device. So getting started, we just want to look up here on the top of the device, and you can see there's that little indentation kind of along the seam there. We're going to take a flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and just holding the device loosely, twist the screwdriver. You will feel it kind of crack open there. Now we can set this back piece of plastic to the side, and holding it with the bottom of the device, the key ring here pointing up, if you just push on the bottom of the battery, it will pop up a little bit there, and you can just lift it out with your fingers or slide it up. And alternatively, you can use your flathead screwdriver and just kind of coming in one of these two little spaces up on the top, you can put the corner of your tool in there, kind of just poke down, pry it out, and it will pop out just like that. Again, this is a CR2016 battery, and if you do not know where to get one of those, go check the link in the description to get one on Amazon. And when you're putting your battery back in there, make sure this positive side with the little plus sign and the text there is going face up, and you will just click it back into place. It goes in there very easily. And you can now just put the back on there and snap it together. And that's it. You are all set. So I hope that video helped you out. And if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section. And remember, if you ever need to change another battery for any of your key fobs for any maker model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.